welcome to Verdictum. You're with me Ananya Singh, and today we will be talking about the latest development in the ongoing legal challenge to the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, appointments, conditions of service and Term of Office Act of 2023. The Supreme Court today declined to issue an immediate stay on the legislation on the writ petition filed by Congress leader Jaya Thakur. Ms. Thakur challenges the constitutionality of Sections 7 and 8 of the newly drafted legislation, which was passed during the winter session of the Parliament and had received the presidential assent thereafter. A bench comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta heard the plea against the law, which became subject of a constitutional challenge due to its exclusion of the Chief Justice of India from the committee responsible for appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners. Senior advocate Vikas Singh represented Thakur and argued that the Act violates the doctrine of separation of powers, a fundamental aspect of the Constitution's basic structure. During the hearing, Justice Khanna raised a query regarding the advanced copy of the petition served to the government and the Election Commission. Singh informed the court that the Apex Court does not have a system for such advanced copies, unlike the High Courts. Justice Khanna instructed Singh to provide an advanced copy, which he agreed to before urging the court to consider an interim prayer for a stay on the new law. The bench, however, refused the request for an immediate stay, stating, "There will not be a stay. Please, we can't stay a statute like this." Despite having refused the stay on request of Mr. Singh, the top court agreed to issue a notice for short date, scheduling the same for April. In related news, a public interest litigation has been filed before the Apex Court, seeking the setting aside of the December 28th Gazette notification relating to the appointment of election commissioners under the Act. The petitioners of the PIL urge for the inclusion of a neutral committee, with the Chief Justice of India being made part of the selection panel for appointment of EC and CECs. It is pertinent to note that the Supreme Court in March 2023 had issued an order stating that a committee comprising the Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition of Lok Sabha and the CJI would appoint the Election Commissioner and CECs. However, the new Act states that the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners shall be appointed by the President on the recommendation of a selection committee consisting of the Prime Minister as the chairperson, the Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha and the Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister as members. The new law faced criticism from the opposition parties, accusing the government of defying the Supreme Court order by leaving out the CJI from the selection committee, and hence the petitions were filed before the Supreme Court. With that, I, Ananya Singh, thank you for watching Verdictum. For more such informative content, subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal updates.